Welcome to the aromatic and flavorful world of Pakistani cuisine with our extended chicken pulao recipe. This dish, a beloved staple in Pakistani households, is celebrated for its simplicity, rich flavors, and the perfect harmony of rice and chicken. Our culinary journey begins with the preparation of the chicken. We use bone-in chicken pieces for their depth of flavor. The chicken is marinated in a mixture of yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and a special blend of pulao spices, including cumin, coriander, and garam masala. This marination not only infuses the chicken with rich flavors, but also ensures it becomes tender and juicy. While the chicken marinates, we focus on the basmati rice, the star of the dish. The rice is thoroughly washed and soaked for about 30 minutes. This step is crucial as it helps the rice cook evenly and become fluffy. In a large pot, we heat some oil or ghee and add whole spices like black peppercorns, cloves, cinnamon, bay leaves, and cumin seeds. These spices are sauteed until they start to crackle, releasing their aroma and flavor into the oil. This spice-infused oil lays the foundation of our pulao's flavor. We then add sliced onions to the pot and fry them until they are golden brown. The onions not only add sweetness to the dish but also contribute to the pulao's rich color. Once the onions are caramelized, we add the marinated chicken and saute it until it's well browned on all sides. Next, we add water to the pot and bring it to a boil. The chicken is simmered in this water until it's nearly cooked. This cooking liquid, now rich with the flavors of the chicken and spices, will be used to cook the rice, ensuring every grain is infused with flavor. The soaked and drained rice is then gently added to the pot. We adjust the salt and add a touch of saffron-infused water for its unique aroma and vibrant color. The pulao is then cooked on a low flame until the rice is tender and the chicken is fully cooked. Once done, we let the pulao rest for a few minutes before fluffing it up. This resting period allows the flavors to meld together and the rice to settle. The chicken pulao is then garnished with fried onions, chopped coriander, and mint leaves, adding a delightful crunch and freshness to the dish. It's traditionally served with raita yogurt sauce and salad, making it a complete and satisfying meal. This Pakistani chicken pulao recipe is more than just a dish. It's a journey through the heart of Pakistani culinary traditions. Whether you're cooking for a special occasion or a family dinner, this pulao is sure to impress with its depth of flavors and comforting aroma. Let's bring the authentic taste of Pakistani chicken pulao to your kitchen and create a feast that's both heartwarming and delicious.